May I have your attention, please, as we bring great news to your doorstep. Introducing JUN Concepts Nigeria Limited, a one-stop reliable importers of wholesales, retail sales, and delivery of all brands of quality automobile carts for conveying golfers, airport passengers, healthcare facilities, farmers and agri produce, sports and recreational arenas, landscaping and tour, campus students, cargo transportation for industrial and commercial jobs, and more. At JUN Concept, we have top-notch utility automobile carts of different sorts, such as 2 couple-seater passenger capacity carrying 2 riders and the higher 4 Quartet seater passenger capacity model carrying 4 riders at once are all available for wholesales, retails and delivery. Contact us today via our hotlines on 080-3243-3577 or visit our office at JUN Concept Warehouse, 60B, 2nd East Circular Road, Benin City. JUN Concepts Nigeria Limited, reliable in import business transaction.